Fourth question. There is a right angled triangle. This is 90 degrees. Another side is given, for example, 12 x and y. 12x and y. One side. So if you see here, listen carefully, these are the cases. A, B, C. We are taking angle C as 90 degrees. Angle C as 90 degrees. Angle C as 90 degrees. These 90 degrees. The side can be an odd number. The side can be an even number. Two cases only will arise. What are the other two cases? Hypotenuse will be either an odd number. Hypotenuse will be either an odd number or it can be an even number. Only the side value, only it will be given. Case 1. Only hypotenuse value will be given. That is case number 2. Case number 3. Two sides will be given. Case number 3. Two sides will be given. Two sides will be given. Case number 4. One side and hypotenuse will be given. One side and hypotenuse will be given. One by one, based on Pythagorean triplet understanding, all the 4 cases we will discuss in detail. So what is the first case? Side is an odd number. So in the first class, we will do all these cases. Side can be an odd number, side can be an even number. Only one side it is given. Only one side. Only one side it is given. Only hypotenuse value it is given. Either it can be an odd number or it can be an even number. Or two sides it is given. Third side we need to find out. Case number 4. One side and hypotenuse will be given. Third side we need to find out. One by one we will get into it. Now listen carefully. There is a right angle triangle. Side odd number case it is over. Side even number. So what I will do is, first I will start with a case. First let me take a case 14. Let me take a case 14. So one smaller case I want to take with integral sides. X square is equivalent to 14 square plus y square. X square is equivalent to y square plus 14 square. So x minus y or x plus y into x minus y. 14 square is 196. 14 square is 196. Listen carefully in the example 1. 196. Okay, what we will do is, to get our calculations a little easy, let me start with a basic example. Let me start. So let me take 4. Smaller value I want to start. This is 4. This is 4 square 16. This is x square minus y square. It is 16. What are the cases related to 16? 1 into 16. 2 into 8. 4 into 4, 8 into 2, 16 into 1. 16 it is 2 power 4. 16 it is 2 power 4. So total how many ways I got? 5 cases. Now listen carefully. First case, is it possible? First of all, x plus y is greater than x minus y. Sum of two natural numbers is always greater than their difference. So this case we cannot write it mathematically. It has to be this case. We cannot write 2 into 8. 2 into 8 means x plus y is taking 2, x minus y is taking 8. This we cannot take. X plus y is equivalent to x minus y. Y value will be 0. This we cannot take. That means 2 cases we are getting. First case, if I take x plus y is equivalent to 16. X minus y is equivalent to 1. 2x equivalent to 17. Left hand side even number, right hand side odd number. This case not possible. So next case will be x plus y. It is 8. X minus y, it is 2. 2x equivalent to 10. X will be 5. y will be 3. X will be 5, y will be 3. X will be 5, y will be 3. How many cases we got? One case. How many cases we got? One. Very smaller number I took and I did all the possible enumeration. So side odd number over side even number. X square equivalent to y square plus 16. X plus y into x minus y. 16 it is 2 power 4. 1 into 16. 2 into 8. 4 into 4. 16 into 1. 8 into 2. 1 into 16 is mathematically incorrect. Why? Because sum of two natural numbers should always be greater than the second difference. 1 into 16 out, 2 into 8 out, 4 into 4 out, 16 into 1. 16 into 1. So x plus x is 2x, 16 plus 1, 17. 17 it is an odd number. 2x it is 17. So it is not possible, only one case. This is a simple example. Simple example. These are the cases that we discuss. In all our classes, we will use thematic based learning to teach the class. First is fundamentals, then we will do practice problems. I will never do hundreds of problems without even teaching you all the concepts. And if you only solve hundreds of problems without knowing fundamentals, you will keep on writing the examination with no success.